Hello and welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a new user account in Windows. If you're sharing your computer with others or you want to separate personal or work platform, creating a new user on your Windows computer is very helpful and it's very useful. So before we get into the tutorial, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educating and inspiring videos that we'll be bringing your way each time we upload a video. So step one, the first step you have to take is to open your control panel, and you can do that by using, for example, there are two ways you can do that. One is you can open an account through your control panel, or you can open an account through the settings app on Windows computer. So to open your settings app, you can click on the Windows plus I. Automatically you see that the settings app has popped up, opened, and what you have to do is to navigate to the account settings. See this section, you go to click on the account settings, and automatically you see that we have several options here. One is where you can put in your info, and the second is your sign-in options. This is where you can put in your password, your facial recognition, fingerprint, PIN, security, or whatever. That's if you already have an account and you just want to add any security purposes. Some computers don't have these features, but at the same time, it's very easy to go through this. So you can navigate to the other users section and click on the other users. You will notice here you have a button called add account. There are several ways you can add accounts. Before we go in, there are several ways you can add accounts. You can add an account locally. That's if you have a domain, or you can add an account just on your PC using your email address. So we're gonna click on this add account and wait for it a little bit. And you notice here it says how will this person sign in, and you can see if you read it says enter the email address or phone number of the person that you want to add if they use Windows, Office, Outlook, OneDrive, Skype, Xbox, or enter the email or phone number they use to sign in. So if the user have an email or an Outlook address or a Skype address, they can be able to log into this you can write in their email number and also their phone number. But in this video I will just be opening adding a new account without the email address. For example, the person doesn't have an email, but perhaps the person is a guest and you want to add you want to add a separate user account without an email address, or you have your own email address and just want to open just a guest account. So what you have to do is click on this I don't have the person's sign-in information. I don't have the person's sign-in information, and you will see here it still shows you can create using an email for an email address, or use a phone number instead, or get a new email address. That's if you want to get or open a new email address. Or it says add a user without a Microsoft account. What I'm going to do here is to add a user without a Microsoft account, and this is going very helpful, especially if you don't have this email address or the details it requires here. So I'll click on this. Notice that it tells me to enter my username. So what I'm going to do here is to enter a dummy account, Ted, and then if you want to make it secured, perhaps you want to lock it for security reasons, or especially for that. But in this tutorial, I'm not going to enter any password, but feel free to enter your password or to re-enter it. This is able to re-enter your password. As you can see here, it shows on the label that you can enter and then we enter. But for this sake of this tutorial, we will not gonna use the password aspect. And I click on next, and you notice that the third account has been added specifically. It has been added very well. So what I'm going to do is to come here and then click on these. As you can see here, the third account is now showing. The third account, it shows now on this aspect.